back to a brand new video. We're in kind of different location as usual, which is behind my desk. We're outside and we're here for a very cool announcement because I've bought my first motorized vehicle. Let's spin it. Guys, the announcement is done. Let's go for a little bit of a spec talk. So this is a Series, which is based in Amsterdam, where I bought it. Model Serini S. They sell a Serini, but this is the S, so the most biggest version of it. And the S came standard with the black pack. What is black pack? All of the lettering and the accents, wing mirrors, the rims, and also this optional extra. These plates are in black. All of the other bits are powder coated in black. And rest color wise, this is matte dark blue. I think on camera it is going to look like a bit like purple. I have to say in dark situations it does look like a bit purple, but yeah, out here the color is absolutely stunning. I haven't seen a single other one in this color, which is always what I love, to be a little bit unique. Now this scooter has a 4-liter tank. I filled it up on with 3 kilometers on the clock. I got it delivered to my house with 300 meters on the clock. We filled it up with some V-power when it has 3 kilometers. It's now running on 80 kilometers and we haven't burned half the tank. So economical for sure. It is of course a Dutch registered scooter. It came from Amsterdam and I did put on some optional extras, which are these plates, this rack here, and also an alarm, which came with some lovely extras. So all of your tech nerds out there, stay tuned for this one, because this is the normal key to start it, of course. This is for the lock. But this one is a party trick machine. So to put the alarm on, you press lock, the alarm goes on. So when you touch it, it is going to be a Christmas tree. So let's put the alarm off. But the cool thing is, it has an alarm. Okay, more scooters has that. But I haven't seen a single one that does this, which is remote start. Like some cars does this these days, but I haven't seen a scooter doing remote start. So now you just put the key in your pocket and drive away. Turn it off. How awesome is that? So that is the sign the alarm isn't on right now, but we're next to it. So I also ordered it with a trickle charger, which you can just put on the battery. So in winter times, when the scooter is always inside, you can put it on the trickle charger and the battery doesn't go flat, which you of course don't want. There is a little bit of storage space in the scooter. The first one is here in the front, where I have my wallet currently, but there is place for a wallet or sunglasses or whatever you want to put in there. Here it just went raining on us, so it is a little bit wet. But here is of course a little bit of storage space where we currently have our camera bags fitted. Also the filler cap is under here. Let's close that up. For a noise, it doesn't make a weird noise. I think it sounds pretty okay. I heard some scooters or things that does sound really annoying. This one sounds actually really good. I have looked at an Akrapovic option for this one, but that is of course really expensive, but it does sound really nice. And I think we can go for a little bit of a drive now. Alright guys, that was it. I bought my first motorized vehicle, this scooter, completely custom, and I absolutely love it. We got some b-roll, we got some private shots and introduction to what it is. But now, this is the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. The next video of this will probably be my first road trip on this scooter, because we are going to put some kilometers on the clock. It is still in this run-in period, which is the first 500 kilometers. You can't drive over 20 kilometers an hour. This thing goes 25 kilometers an hour, so that is a bit of a shame, but we're now on 85 kilometers, and over the coming weeks that will get a lot more. Massive thanks to Quinn, my brother behind the camera. Links of his channel will be in the description down below, including our Instagrams. Be sure to give it all a follow, stay subscribed, put the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and then I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.